사랑해요. 여러분, 안녕하세요. 조이예요. And welcome back to How to Say It in Korean. Today we're gonna learn how to say I love you in Korean. As always, there are many different ways of saying this in Korean. So let's get to learning one of the most common ways of saying it, which is 사랑해요. Let's first practice the pronunciation of 사랑해요. 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 사랑해요 is a form of the Korean verb 사랑하다. 사랑하다 literally translates to mean love or to have strong attraction for someone or something. To say I love you in an informal way, you can say 사랑해. So only use 사랑해 with someone you're really close with. 엄마, 사랑해. I love you, Mom. Now that you know how to say I love you in Korean, get out there and spread love all around you. If you're interested in learning more Korean using a very fun and easy method, visit us at 90daykorean.com for more great Korean lessons. Thanks for watching. 사랑해요.